I said, face down.
Oh, you want to choke me? Oh, girl!
Have you ever wondered what happens when teenagers think they can outsmart the police? In today's video, we'll look at 3 cases where young people get caught and decide to fight back. Let's see how these encounters unfold when things go from bad to worse. An 18-year-old girl was pulled over by the police after multiple people reported her as a possible drunk driver. Witnesses said she was driving recklessly, swerving into oncoming traffic and nearly causing accidents. When the police stopped her, she seemed very relaxed and unconcerned, casually chatting about her day and trying to explain why she was out.
How's it going today?
It's going pretty well. Just trying to
Yeah? What kind of errands you running?
You know, grocery shopping, paying bills, just adult things.
Yeah. So where were you coming from?
If we're being honest, I am on the way to pick up on my friend, and because I don't like doing things by myself because I have anxiety, so I like people coming on rides with me. So I was gonna go pick her up so I can go to the dispensary, get what I need, and then bring it back home. If you want to, I could show you my medical card.
As the officers continued to investigate, they found Xanax pills on the driver's seat of her car. Xanax is a strong medication usually prescribed by a doctor, but the girl didn't have a prescription for it. When the police questioned her about the pills, she became defensive and started resisting their instructions, refusing to sit where they asked and arguing with them.
For me, it pretty much stays simple to Tylenol and ibuprofen.
Ma'am, is your ID in your purse?
Yes, it is.
All right, I'll get it. I'll get it. Hey, I said I'll get it. Stand over there at the end of your car. Do you hear me?
Okay, but if you were more respectful about it, I'm just saying.
All right,
If we're all humans here, if you were more respectful about it, I'm just saying.
Where's your ID at? Is it in here?
Can I look through my wallet? Well, why are
I
you
got
looking
it.
through my wallet? No, the thing is, that's my property. You have no choice.
Actually, I do, because I found friggin' Xanax bars on your driver's seat. If you want to explain something, explain those.
Girl, the fact that you're just looking through my stuff.
They were in plain view.
Yep.
That makes a difference.
Oh, were they in plain view?
Yeah, your butt was covered.
Okay.
Here, will you do me a favor and go sit on the bumper of that car over there?
What? Okay, I just want to know what I was doing in particular.
Okay. The reason you were pulled over, you were called in as a possible drunk driver, and from the people that were calling in said that you hit multiple things. I haven't been to the other side of your car or really inspected your car yet to verify that, but you were found here. She's getting out with you. You were called in as a drunk driver. Okay. Upon contact, she's finding things that are illegal in your car. So this is kind of the development that we're going. Okay. So for right now, while she's doing her job, we're going to give her some space and we're going to go sit at the front of that car, okay?
The police began to suspect that the girl was under the influence of drugs, not alcohol, because of the way she was acting and how her eyes looked. When the situation escalated, the girl became more aggressive, mocking the officers and even daring them to use force against her. She showed little respect for the police, and her attitude grew more defiant as they moved to arrest her.
Wait, actually...
Face the car. Spread your legs for me. Face the car. Spread your legs. Spread your legs.
I'm looking for harassment.
Spread your legs.
Ooh, damn, girl. Touching me up and shit.
Face down. I said face down.
Oh, you guys are gonna steal my lavender?
You got her?
Yeah.
Come on. You want to try that?
Oh, you want to choke me the fuck out? Oh, you want to choke me You want to choke me? Grandparents' phone number, because last time one of you guys took me to the mental hospital, my grandparents could not find me for weeks! Okay, and your bitch-ass officers were like, oh, you're gonna be okay, you're gonna say this is wrong, but all you guys do is fucking lie! Fucking God! I'm wasting your motherfucking time because you just need to meet your fucking quota! Ha ha ha! Fucking blue lives isn't America! Blue lives is a fucking job choice! It is not a fucking matter! It is not a privilege! You chose to be a fucking car! What are you gonna do to my car? What are you gonna do to my car? What are you gonna do to my car? You know what? Everything is gonna be fine. I'm gonna get bailed out. And girl, I'm gonna have a good 2 weeks. Dip out this motherfucking place, bro. I can't wait. So genuinely, thank you. Thank you for letting me finally be free and giving me such BS of capitalism to the point where I'm just like, wow, nothing really gives a fuck. Cops don't give shit about nobody but to meet their fucking quotas, and they pick and choose when they want to be nice. But like at the end of the day...
In the end, the girl was arrested for driving under the influence of drugs and possessing a controlled substance without a prescription. The specific laws she violated include DUI, driving under the influence, which is illegal under the law and can result in serious penalties, and possession of a controlled substance, which is also against the law unless you have a valid prescription from a doctor. These laws exist to keep people safe and prevent dangerous situations on the road. On December 13, 2021, police were called to a public lounge after a girl was reported for trespassing for the second time. When the officers arrived, they found the girl and began to ask her for her identification. However, the girl refused to cooperate, ignoring their requests to provide her name or any form of ID. She claimed she had just woken up and didn't feel like answering any questions.
Hey, you got your ID on you?
No.
Is it in that purse by chance?
It's not.
It is not?
No, it's not.
What's your first name?
I'm not here to give out any identities.
What's your first name?
I'm not here to give out any identities, sir.
Okay, you were talking just fine. Let's talk normal. What's your first name?
Oh, goodness. Oh, I'm here to go. Sorry.
No, you're going to tell us your first name.
No, no, sir. I'm sorry.
We can do this easy way, hard way. It's up to you.
What's it do?
We're trying to find out who
What
you
is
are.
your first name, my lady?
We're trying to make sure you're safe and find out who you are real quick, okay? If you don't have any warrants or anything like that, then we're good. But I need to get your first name and all that information, okay?
I just woke up and I deep sleep, so
I got
I'm
you.
just not interested in doing that.
Understandable, but this ain't a bedroom.
Oh, okay, I'm going to walk to my bedroom.
Where's your bedroom?
I'm not interested in telling anybody right now. I just woke up from sleep.
Uh-huh.
As the officers tried to keep the situation calm, they informed the girl that she was not allowed to leave until she identified herself. But instead of complying, she became more defiant, refusing to sit down and physically resisting their attempts to detain her. The situation quickly escalated as she resisted more forcefully, even kicking one of the officers who was trying to control her.
I can use the restroom.
Not yet.
I really do have to use
I
the
know,
restroom.
not right now.
Okay, well, I'm telling
No, dude, no, stop.
Please don't touch me.
Go sit back over there.
Please don't touch
sit over
me.
here. Go sit back over there.
Please don't touch
Go
me.
sit back over there.
Please don't touch
You're
me.
not free to go. Stop.
Please don't touch me.
Go sit back over there.
Please don't touch me.
Go sit back over there. Stop. You're not free to go.
You're not free to touch me.
Yes, I am.
Am I being detained?
Yes, you are
For
detained.
what?
You are detained.
For what?
For an investigation. Go sit down.
What type of investigation?
I'm not gonna take you. Sit
Let
down.
go of me.
Sit down.
Let go of me.
Sit down.
Seriously, let go of me.
Sit down.
Seriously?
If you don't
Let
sit
go
down,
of
we'll
me.
put you in cuffs.
Seriously, let go of me.
Turn around. Turn around. Stop. Stop. Stop.
Yeah.
Stop resisting. Stop.
Seriously, let go of me.
No.
I got you.
Okay, why?
Well,
What did I do?
we'll do.
Just
All right,
ask to use
bye.
the restroom? have to put a restraining order on you.
There you go. Sorry. Go, just keep, yeah.
Yep.
Here. Put her on the ground instead of punching her on this. Lady, would you stop?
Seriously?
Can we cut real quick?
I just have to pee. Can I please pee?
You just kicked me?
Can I pee? I'm wondering how many good stuff. I'm scared if I can use the restroom. Sir, will you walk me to the restroom?
You're under
That's
arrest.
definitely not happening.
So she doesn't try to slip them.
Stop
Now you're
kicking
going
me.
to jail for
Stop
freaking
kicking
battery
me.
on LEO.
Double up in here.
Face that way.
Let's go me!
Stop.
What the fuck? You're hurting my knees so bad.
Stop kicking and stop squirming.
Despite her pleas to use the restroom, the officers had no choice but to restrain her more securely due to her aggressive behavior. They had to use additional measures to keep her from hurting herself or others. The girl continued to struggle and complain, but the officers eventually managed to take her into custody.
Where's my going?
Stop.
You have no fucking clue. Let go of me! Holy shit, bro. Please stop. You're scaring me. Get off my back now.
Stop.
No, quit kicking.
Stop.
Oh, please, no. Get off of me.
She just scratched me too.
Get off of me, pathetic piece of shit. Dude, I need to do what you're doing to my body.
Here, go down the
Can
knee.
you please carry me differently?
Can you walk like?
Yeah, I can walk if he doesn't put me in my...
No.
Stop.
You keep spitting, you're not gonna get a chance. You understand? Don't spit on him. Stop.
It's on my knees.
The girl was charged with multiple crimes. She was accused of trespassing in an occupied structure, which means entering a place without permission after being told not to. She was also charged with resisting an officer with violence, which involves physically fighting or resisting arrest. Lastly, she was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, which means she unlawfully attacked a police officer. All of these actions are against the law, and she now faces legal consequences for her behavior. Kayla was having a rough day. After getting fired from her job of 4 years, she was driving home from Walmart when she was stopped by a deputy from the sheriff's office.
Hey, I'm Deputy Shannon with the Sheriff's Office.
Yeah, what's up?
The reason I'm stopping you is because, like, you're driving kind of erratically, like you're all over the roadway, speeding up.
I just talked to another cop at Walmart.
Uh-huh.
And he said I was good, and yeah, I'm good.
You're good what?
He said I was okay. I just had a hard day.
Okay, what's going on?
Well, I got fired from my job.
Okay.
I was there for 4 years. I worked at Shuckers, and I'm just on a hard day.
I understand.
Yeah.
I understand. Hey, so where are you coming from? Did you just leave from Walmart?
I left Walmart, and I live on Way, so I'll be at home in just a second. I offered him. He said he could. I said he could follow me home and everything. So yes, sir.
Hey, do you realize that you have been involved in a traffic crash?
The deputy noticed that Kayla was driving erratically, speeding up, and swerving across the road. When asked about her driving, Kayla explained that she had just been fired and was feeling upset. The deputy then pointed out that she had also hit a pole or sign, but Kayla didn't realize how serious the crash was. As the situation unfolded, Kayla was asked to step out of her car so the deputies could check on her. They wanted to make sure she was safe to drive, so they decided to conduct a sobriety test.
Hey, step out, like unbuckle, step out and come look at it for me.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Look, just step around here and look at the front of your car.
I don't even want to.
Like you ran the pole slap over.
Yeah, I didn't have anyone to come get me. I offered him to follow me home. So.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Oh man.
I'm like 3 minutes from home. It's a bad thing.
Okay. Okay, so Miss Kayla, like, have you been drinking today?
Absolutely not. You can breathalyze me. No, I'm not.
Okay, have you taken any type of illegal narcotic?
No, sir. I'm on.
Okay.
Yep.
Hey, do you have any medical conditions that affect your balance?
Every now and then.
What, like
And
from?
I'm nervous.
I get it.
I'm emotional. I'm not nervous, but I'm just really, I'm upset.
Okay.
Kayla admitted that she hadn't been drinking, but she did confess to taking illegal drugs. She was emotional and nervous, but agreed to go through the tests. The deputies moved to a quieter place nearby to carry out the tests, where Kayla struggled to complete them, feeling embarrassed and clumsy.
All right, I'm going to have you come up here to the front of my car, okay?
What do you like?
And I'll have you stand right about here, and I want you to face me. All right, hey, can you grab this in for me?
Absolutely.
All right, hey, walk that way. We're going to make like a straight line, kind of where we were standing a second ago. All right, we're going to put it straight down.
Despite Kayla's claims that she was fine to drive, the deputies noticed signs that she was under the influence of something. They informed her that she would be arrested for driving under the influence, which initially upset her. Eventually, Kayla complied, and the deputies searched her car, finding a suspicious substance. After testing it, they discovered it was fentanyl, a dangerous and illegal drug.
Come here, Kayla. Don't walk off. Don't walk off.
No, I'm not
Don't walk
leaving
off.
you.
It's okay. We're just going to go sit back down right where we were, okay? We're going to be cool. We're just going to go sit back down where we were, all right?
I'm not.
Okay, hey, turn around. Turn around. It's okay. Relax. Relax. It's okay. Relax. All right. We're going to walk back to where we were, okay? We're just going to sit back in the
Can I
car.
get my shoes?
I'll grab them for you. You're okay. You're okay.
Kayla was taken into custody for driving under the influence and possession of illegal drugs. She violated the law by operating a vehicle while impaired by drugs, which is illegal under the state's DUI, driving under the influence laws. Specifically, she broke the law by driving while under the influence of a controlled substance, which can lead to serious consequences like losing her driver's license, heavy fines, and even jail time. As we've seen, resisting the police only escalates the situation. These teens turned minor issues into major problems by choosing to fight instead of cooperate. Remember, staying calm and following the law is always the smarter choice.